AI caricatures are all over social media right now, and honestly, a lot of caricature artists are a little bit upset. So basically what's going on is people logging into ChatGPT and typing, "Dear almighty ChatGPT, please take my offerings and create a caricature of what you know about me thus far." Then boom, it slops out this flattering caricature. People chuckle and go, "Aw, I did this trend and it was fun." And then they post it. Meanwhile, caricature artists who are struggling during the slowest season of the year are just fuming. And I get the annoyance, I really do, especially when you're seeing caricatures with like 22 fingers, drawings that feel uncreative, and even friends and family hopping on a trend that feels like it could hurt your pockets a little bit. I thought I'd do a video on all of this to hopefully, hop on the trend and shine some light towards non-artists and caricature artists. First thing, trends are stupid. Does anybody remember the ALS challenge? How awful are we as people sometimes? There's people out there that are struggling with their health and having nerve pain and sudden muscle spasms. Then they log onto the computer and see Peyton dumping some water on herself and laughing. So yeah, people, even myself, have hopped on bandwagons to feel relevant or part of something that was actually sort of inconsiderate or flat out stupid. But this will go away rather quickly. I'll actually be thoroughly surprised if this lasts longer than a month. And to all my caricature artist friends and the awesome community of caricature, look, I get it. It makes sense to feel disrespected or unappreciated during this whole trend going on. It also makes complete sense because you push and strive to make a living with this art form. It's hard to do. We're in the lines of constant criticism. We push past the risk of feeling rejected. And we have to shrug off silly comments. Comments that can make you feel unappreciated, uncomfortable, disrespected, and even misunderstood. And I honestly believe that being a caricature artist is one of the hardest creative professions to be. We have to perform, create drawings that look good on the spot, handle people and customers in real time, and battle the balance of maintaining creativity and a living. But here is something that I feel is true. Once I started my journey building the ToonHeadz, I realized how positive you have to be, which is super hard to do sometimes. Because I can be an insecure mess. I struggle with anxiety, and I do have problems with feeling unappreciated and unwanted. But being a business owner comes with a lot of responsibilities. And falling into those negative thoughts just doesn't serve me. Being positive, as hard as it can be sometimes, it rewards me. I honestly just find myself making better decisions, connecting with more people, and not being afraid to take risks. I think going down the rabbit hole of AI just won't serve me, which is why I try not to have a vocalized opinion on the matter, even though I'm doing it right now, but shh. AI is just here to stay. As crappy as it is to say, but I know if I remain positive, I have a better likelihood of being better than what AI could even be. I just think it's better to use your time to focus on things that actually matter, like your creativity. Learn things, new things, connect with people, work on that project you've been neglecting for years. Then spending your time worrying about AI and what the world's gonna look like 20 years from now, I think it's just better to concentrate on yourself and what you can achieve. Control what you can before worrying about what you can't. All right, I'm gonna give you a secret. It's a big one. It's what AI can't imitate. They can't be human. Maybe that will be a political discussion here in the next 200 years, but right now they can't. And being human can be complicated. We're very weird creatures. But there's something that we can provide that a robot can never imitate. And I think caricature proves that in a way. Like for example, one, caricature is an experience, not a prompt. Us as caricature artists not only offer some unique, cool drawing, but also a memory to the customer or client of getting it done. AI is just instant gratification, and most of the time, not even that fun. Number 2, you're not only capturing someone's essence, but you're also including yours. Aww. Your creativity is almost like a little imprint on each caricature, and AI has zero soul. It's all just ones and zeros. It's like what Cypher says in The Matrix. Over time, I just get used to the code. All I see is blonde, brunette, redhead. And number 3, humans evolve creativity. AI repeats patterns. Humans create new directions. If creativity ever fully became AI generated, people will get bored fast. People just crave evolution. I mean, you have examples of it, music through the whole 90s with a it got boring. And then we switched over to Tupac. And then, like 10 years ago, everything was a remake. We got bored. We needed new stuff. Give it to me. So with just looking at that pattern, you know that there's a huge value of being a human being. And another huge positive, let's be real, is people are actually learning how to spell caricature. That's kind of cool, maybe.